Fox Bloopers 52. One second. Don't take too long to look. Sorry if I was taking too long. Why does it say Fox Searchlight Pictures? Because Fox Searchlight Pictures has a lot more entertainment in it. Well, no. What was that? Why was it 20th? Why does it say Foxstar Studios and why is it reversed? It can't be Foxstar Studios. And it can't be reversed either. It has to be 2020 Fox. And plus, move it forwards now or I am going to spank your booty. You're not gonna hurt me. Well, I am the boss of this whole thing. If that's loud, I'll cover the holes in my phone. God, why does it say LEF? That thing almost shook that studio. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta remember that first time when we were doing the bloopers ever, and you weren't even scared. Well, then, well, I was just kidding. Oh. Well, in fact, I wasn't kidding because I was just kidding. I said I was kidding. You're making no sense. What's here? What is all that? Just reverse. Well, it looks all dumb. Fine, I'll pick a good one for you. Studios. Gosh, I love it. No, you don't. No, you don't. You just like to take me off. Sorry, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. How dare you? Okay. As I count for now, this is your last chance. Hey! Where is the video? Show me the one I want. Trying to find it. Don't rush me. Oh, I will. Cut and done. Thank you so much. Now get out of here before I have to spank your butt myself. Woo!